All right, continuing on with 9.3, we can solve this by any of the four methods. And again, I'm going to review with you using matrices or the matrix button on our Ti-84 and then performing rref on that matrix. So we talked about in the previous videos that it's important if we're going to use the rref form that this has to be in standard form, or these two equations have to be in standard form. Here I have x plus y equals my constant. That's in standard form. Here I notice that my x is on the right side of the equation, so I'm going to have to move that over. And some of you, will probably go straight to the matrix and be able to visualize this, but I'm going to write the matrix down for us here. What we have is 0.5, and we have 0.5, and then we have negative 5.5. Be careful with your signs, okay? And then when you move that 1.5, negative 1.5 over, that's 1.5, positive 1.5, and negative 16.5. Okay, there's my matrix. Okay, and the way you could kind of show this on a test is you could draw a little arrow like this and then write rref. Okay, there's not much space left here. Well, I guess I have all this space over here. I can write it, but I'm going to show you on the calculator quickly how to enter this in. I started up my calculator and it says that, I have this screen here, and it's okay to just say don't show that again. And then I'm going to hit clear so I can have a nice home screen to work with. I go into matrix. I go over to edit. I'm going to go down and just type over these values. I have 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter, negative 5.5, enter. Remember, this is your negative key down here below the 3, okay? And then I have 1.5, enter, 1.5, enter, and negative 16.5, enter. This is the step where a lot of students forget. You have to exit this screen, so I'll quit. Then I'll go back into matrix, go over to math, and hit the up arrow 5 times to rref, and then drop in my name matrix A, because that's where I put all my data, and then just hit enter, and we get something a little different than what we've seen before. But if you're showing your work for a test, you could write down what you get here from doing rref. We have 1, 0, 1, 0, negative 11, 0. Now in the back of your note packet, it tells what happens when we see this case here where we don't get the 1, 1. Okay, see, we get 1, 0. What we're going to do after we see this 1, 0 here is we're going to look at this lower right hand corner, and we're going to think about that. Okay, we're going to say, okay, 0 equals 0. Yes, always. What do I associate with always? I associate infinite or infinitely. Infinite solutions. Okay? Infinite solutions. So that's a little different than what we've seen before, but be prepared for that. But always start by looking for that diagonal 1, 1 after we do reduced row echelon form. Okay? That's it for 7B. We'll look at 7C next.